What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ruchi Take Profit, and I'm back with another video. I hope y'all been taking care of yourself. I've been taking care of me, and I've been really focused on my grind, on my journey. But I'm back dropping another video. Today is my last day trading in 2024, and I ended it off with a banger, man. So I'm gonna just go through this trade that I just got in today. I added one new thing to my strategy that I think is gonna actually give me a slighter edge that most people don't have in the market. But enough talk, I'm gonna get straight into it. This is gonna be a nice, quick, simple video. And before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. And yeah, man, I'm gonna drop more content for y'all. I just think there's some times where I just gotta lock in. So when I lock in, you know, I'm just bettering myself, but it's all part of the journey. 2025, man, we getting funded, bro. 2025, we getting funded, bro. I've been doing this for so long, but it's time for the results to actually show, man. So without further ado, let's hop straight into this vid, man. So let's just clear this all off. So today, when I came on the market, we had the high of the day, which was here. Then we had the low of the day, which was around, I think it was still around here. Yeah, it's the lowest. So I already knew price been trading. Price was trading at the high of the day around here. So boom, starting from the 4 hour, because I ain't see anything on the daily. We had this 4 hour order block right here. So my brain, I knew. Now, I'm already done with my trade, but I wouldn't be surprised if it kept going down. But she probably tired of that little move. Long story short, I had this 4 hour order block right here. And my voice sounds different. I just woke up, y'all. So y'all bear with me, man. And then within that 4 hour order block, we got a 1 hour order block. Now, if y'all haven't watched my recent video on how I do my strategy, make sure y'all go look at that. So yeah, we got this 1 hour order block right here in between it. Now, this is what I added to my strategy that just put the sauce on it. Fair value gap. What is a fair value gap? It's a series of 3 candles that leaves a gap in the middle. So if it's three bullish candles, the fair value gap in the middle of those 3 candles would be the space in between the 3rd candle wick to the, like, the 1st candle. Let me just show y'all right here. That's 1, 2, 3 bullish candles, right? If price was retracing, this gap from the first wick, the first bullish candle with that wick, it would close here, and that gap would go to the 3rd candle of the lowest wick. So you pretty much just creating a box, pretty much where price was a full like push. Like this whole area is a gap. So I would just put that as a gap. So boom, I seen one on a 1 hour time frame right here. Now obviously this is more than 3 candles, right? But still, this gap right here is very significant. Look at that big push down, right? So I grabbed it from that first bearish candle to the top of that 3rd bearish candle, and I dragged it across. Now, for all my experienced traders, you could tell where I got an entry. We were going for sales. So if you guess this area right here, that's exactly where I got my sales. Now, originally, I wouldn't use the fair value gap, right? I was just looking for a rejection off the 4 hour and for it to push down, or off the 1 hour and then push down. But when the market opened at 8:30, it took its precious little time to get up there. But once it pushed up, I'm waiting for a sell at the 4 hour. I'm waiting for a sell at this 1 hour order block inside. I'm waiting for a rejection off this 15 bearish order block. So I have 3 bearish order blocks lining up inside of there. Why would I take a buy? Right. Now I was looking for buys only if price continued to push through, but it gave us a nice little fake, right? Price has been falling this whole week. Prices, look at that. Price has been falling bad. I'm not trying to buy. Now Fridays, they like to do counter moves back to the upside or back to the downside, but that was just a lot of bearish momentum. So I want sales. So boom, I'm waiting. And then price literally got to this area that I drew off that 1 hour fair value gap. Once it tapped there, it started falling immediately. What did I do? I grabbed a position. Now, I waited a little bit because I was a little hesitant, because once I said this is new to my strategy. So I didn't get the entry right here. I got it right here. And there was no particular reason why I got it right there, but I liked it better because when price opened back up, it double tapped it. But mind you, I was already in the trade at this point. So boom, I hopped in right here. I had price. I seen that there was a little gap right here, itty bitty gap that it seemed like price hasn't filled. So I was a little curious as if price was going to come all the way down here. So I was really confident with this. Unfortunately, this part of the play didn't play out, but not all confluences are going to be sticky. So I seen this gap right here, and I'm just like, price technically didn't feel that at all. It's like it jumped, but it's a real small gap, so it might not be important. Nonetheless, that's what I was looking at. Only that, there's a lot of liquidity here, sell side liquidity. So off rip, my full profit was down here, right? I'm looking back at this. I think my entry is a little different. Hold on. But yeah, I literally caught this move so fast. Actually, yeah, it wasn't there. It was right about here. My entry was right about there because I remember the full target being like 164, something like that. But yeah, I pretty much ran price all the way down. It ended up stopping at a 5-minute order block. Price has been moving weird on this 5-minute. But when I seen price reject up here, I was in. So I rolled that shit all the way down. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, giving me a full-fledged 133 points, right? Now, I took profits at 100 points and I took profits at 50. So I was risking 300 to make 600 on one account, and I was risking 400 to make 800 on the other account. But since price has been moving all funny because it's holidays, I said, let me go ahead and take some of my profits, because if I hold, then price could reverse. Let me just leave some money, get some money so I can hold longer. Now, granted, this situation, I would have gotten my full profits, but it's all good. Live and learn. But this trade was like literally not even that long. I think, let me see. How long was it? 10 minutes, bro. This is 10 minutes. Oh, where this average trade down. That ain't it. And what's today then? I'm trying to figure out how long that trade was. I'm not seeing it. I wasn't in that trade that long though. Today, about 10 to 30 minutes. But y'all get the point. I was in this trade for about, 5 to 10 minutes. 10 to 15, 10 to 30 minutes. So yeah, this is a good trade. As y'all can see, my results down here. I've been taking this account real easy. If y'all see my other account, y'all see I've been taking it way faster. But it doesn't have all of the data like Top Step does. So yeah, we getting there, man. I'm just trying to set my account up a little bit so when the new year start, I have a easier, less profit target for me to hit in order to get funded. But yeah, man, that was a pretty fast trade. Like I said, I added the fair value gap to it. I had sell side liquidity, so price was rejecting a whole bunch of times right here on the 5. So when price flew up and rejected that little gap, then I took it for a sell. Now I'm not gonna use it all the time. It's not needed all the time. But when price was faking out all of the buyers right there by pushing through all these order blocks, I'm like, come on, it has to have some type of rejection. But even here, like, price is just playing funny. A 4-hour order block, they're super strong. But price rejected it, right, and closed below. It opened a new 4-hour candle, speared right through that 4-hour candle again. And as for what's fit to happen now, it's none of my business. We're out of the markets for 2024. I'm officially closing out with that trade right there, man. Profit of 400 on one account, profit on 500 on the other. Can't be mad. And I'm just gonna end the video there, man. There was really nothing else to it. When I was in the trade, I was managing my risk. I was moving my stop losses. I was moving, take profit zones, taking my partial profits. I don't really like taking partials. I like getting my full package, but these weeks have been a little rough for me. So I just wanted to say what the market was giving me. Shout out to Have Mercy Trades if y'all know who that is. But yeah, man. Like I said, I'm not surprised for price to be rejecting this area again, to go ahead and push down and create some new lows in the market. Because I don't know what somebody would think trying to buy all the way back up here. But yeah, man, it's just knowing some market structure, seeing these charts over and over and over again that allow you to really be successful in the markets. Just look at how she's tanking again, bro. She's tanking again, bro. She's moving today. She's moving. But nonetheless, man, that was a trade. I wish I could have caught it live for y'all. But like I said, I just been locked in, trying to relieve as much pressure as I possibly can. And sometimes I might have to just come on here and turn the camera on and not say anything. But if y'all cool with me just doing those videos without saying anything, that'll be a way for me to focus. Because like me talking verbally is cool and all, but that's something I got to get used to, honestly. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do some more videos. I'm gonna get back to y'all with some more sit down videos. Just things I'm preparing for in 2025, man. Making sure that this year we actually get some results and we actually get some payouts, and we start changing our lives, man. So I appreciate y'all coming to this video. If y'all new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below. Give me some ideas, some suggestions, some videos y'all want to see. I have a ton of shit planned out for you guys. And 2025 gonna be a great year, man. 2024, I learned so much. And this is like the last year I probably had to deal with any type of psychology issues. And we just keep getting better every day. Day by day, we're gonna get better. We're gonna keep improving. We're gonna keep growing. We are human beings. We're not perfect, right? So just give me a little bit of time to lock all the way in fully, and we're gonna be on the road, man. But 2025, we're getting payouts. 2025, we're getting funded. We passing challenges. We not being fearful. We going straight for our goals one way or another. And we're gonna do everything we gotta do to succeed, man. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace.